2012 was a year of enormous challenges. Climate change, conflict, continued economic upheaval. UNICEF responded with renewed determination to reach the last child. Equity is at the heart of what we do. To achieve it, we promote health, education, and protection for every child. In 2012, UNICEF remained at the vanguard of the effort to create a generation free of AIDS.
When we talk about an AIDS-free generation, I think we really need to address the fact that a new generation free of HIV, free of AIDS, must begin with children. Children, mothers, fathers.
As the world becomes more unpredictable, UNICEF continues to be there wherever we are needed, before, during and after an emergency.
UNICEF has had several successes. The one I want to highlight specifically is a response to the Sahel. The target was try to reach 1 million children with treatment against severe acute malnutrition, and we reached some 800,000 children. So it's an extremely important intervention, and there was a big success.
As a result of the conflict in Syria, 5 million people in and outside the country were in dire need of our help. Our partnerships are critical to benefiting all children in the most cost-effective manner, and they gave new impetus to our aim to prevent all unnecessary child deaths.
We are all here today with one vision: to make sure every child, everywhere, lives to see his or her 5th birthday, to eliminate preventable child death in a generation.
Our Goodwill ambassadors worked hard to highlight the needs of vulnerable children.
All children have the right to feel valuable, and everybody has a shot, but not everybody has a fair shot. So I think what UNICEF does is they try to make the shot a little more equal.
UNICEF works not just at community level, but also at the highest levels of government. And this link between policy making and programming gives us the unique ability to promote equity for every child. With the continued trust of our donors, who gave 8% more than the previous year, despite a challenging economic climate, UNICEF spent money where it was most needed, on the most disadvantaged children and their families. We strove to maintain this trust by working harder and being more accountable. We streamlined decision-making and monitored programs more closely. We joined the International Aid Transparency Initiative as part of our commitment to being more open. It was a year of important results for children.
There is much progress to celebrate, but all of us here know how very much there is left to do, and that the march of progress has left far too many behind, those who had the least to start with, the most disadvantaged and excluded children, those whose rights are most denied.
And with your ongoing support, we will continue to deliver on our mandate to reach every child, everywhere, no matter how remote, no matter what barriers stand in the way.